So continuing the case journey with the Pixel 6 Pro, the next stop has to be the Peak everyday case for, again, the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, this case I was really interested in because not only does it offer MagSafe support, which I'm gonna keep it real, that's the honest reason why I pulled the trigger as fast as I did, but it also offers a whole additional ecosystem of products made by the good folks over at Peak Design. So I thought, why not give the case a shot? I'm gonna start with the case because obviously if the case is bad, I'm not gonna wanna be involved in the ecosystem. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at the Peak everyday case for the Pixel 6 Pro. So here we are with the Peak Design everyday case for the Pixel 6 Pro. So super dope case. You can see some information there. Magnetic locking phone case. Now this does support MagSafe and it supports Peak's first party accessories because they do kind of have like a whole ecosystem all their own. So here's some of those products there. You can go ahead and pause the video and see. But they do offer their own little ecosystem in terms of their products, which is always dope. I love manufacturers that offer a whole little ecosystem. It's not like you're just buying a case, you're also buying their accessories as well. So here's the case itself. You can already see you have this little cutout here, which I'm kind of mixed about. I do need to check on their site and see if they have any type of, say, insert or placeholder, just so that way when you're holding the case, you don't necessarily feel that kind of hole in the case. I'm somebody that doesn't like too many obstructions on the back of my cases that I can actually feel, but it's probably something that I would get used to with time. And I almost forgot, you do have this nice little insert from Peak. So that's nothing else in there, but just goes over some more of their products. So wallets, motorcycle mounts, wireless charging car mounts. You got a wireless charging stand, universal bar mount for like your kid strollers, mobile tripod, a little creator kit, out front bike mount, and a wall mount, which actually looks pretty dope. I'll probably order that one too. This again is just talking about all those accessories. Here's something you can scan. Will probably take you right to their webpage, and you do get a pretty cool little Peak by Design sticker. So nice little touch and a good way to kind of introduce you into their ecosystem of products. Looking at the inside of the case, you got some Peak branding right there. And if you look to the side, you kind of have those little air pockets that manufacturers like to do to kind of disperse the force when you do drop your device. We have some Peak branding right up there. Peak by Design branding there. Top, you have your cutout for your microphone right there. And then on the bottom, you'll notice that not only do you have the cutout for your cable, you have the cutout for your speakers, but you also have those other two cutouts as well. Now with those actually allow you to use, I'm not sure if it's a dock, but it's one of their first party accessories that actually support that. And if you notice when I put the phone in, you'll notice that this has a little bit kind of wider of a chin than what you may be used to in terms of cases. So let me go ahead and throw this in real quick. Nice little snap, tells you that fit is nice. Shout out to the homie Venom there doing his thing. But you'll kind of notice here at the bottom, you have a little bit bigger of a chin than you normally would on a case, and that's again for that first party accessory. Again, I'm not 100% sure which one that is, but that's what the bottom looks like. Everything is nice and in place. Nice wide open port cutout, so if you want to use third-party cables, whatever. You got nothing again on that side. Here again, you have your buttons. Now in terms of those buttons, probably can't hear that, but super tactile. No issues whatsoever in terms of clicking them. They feel really good to press. Top, you have your microphone port again. Now again, in terms of having that extra chin, it doesn't get in the way at all of me using, say gestures or anything like that. Gestures still feel super seamless and super easy to use, so you're not gonna have to worry about that kind of messing with ports or anything like that, so you should be good to go. Overall, again, the fit is super snug on this particular device. I love me a tight fitting case. The back, this material is really hard to explain. They say that it's nylon. But if I had to compare it to something that I'm used to touching every day, I would say maybe like a hybrid of like jeans, kind of like denim jeans maybe would probably be a good way to explain it. It's really hard to explain. You would have to really like feel it to get an idea of it, but it does feel really nice in the hand. Nice in the hand. It feels nice in the hand, and it does feel grippy. So when you're holding the phone, I have no worry about this phone dropping out of my hands. The sides have that matte texture, but it's not slippery. It's grippy. Like I said, the only thing I'm kind of worried about, and not worried, but just kind of in the middle about, is just this little insert here. I have to see if Peak has some type of insert or something that you can put in there as a placeholder until you're ready to use their accessories. But again, this is advertised for MagSafe, so wanted to bring in some of my MagSafe accessories. Here's my Spigen MagSafe wallet. You guys have seen this on the channel I don't know how many times at this point, but let's go ahead and see how that locks in. And you can already tell, like, it pulled it out of my hand. That lock is it's really on there, right? You can kind of see me shaking the device here, and it's absolutely not falling or dropping off or anything. So that already feels nice. And this Spigen MagSafe wallet, I always forget to let you guys know, it doesn't have the strongest magnetic grip, especially compared to what I've seen from like the Pataka wallet or whatever. This one doesn't grip nearly as tight, but it's grip in this case perfectly fine. So no issues there. Then we're gonna go ahead and bring in my next one, which is my car mount. I use this every single day with every phone that has MagSafe. And you heard that snap. This thing ain't going anywhere. Literally shaking it right now. Y'all can see on camera. Nothing, not coming out. Even pulling it off, you can kind of see the amount of force that I'm having to use to actually pull this thing off, man. So super dope, absolutely loving this thing. MagSafe support is a go, so this is probably going to be the case that I'm actually rocking for the foreseeable future, just because it has a nice feel in terms of the back, nice feel on the sides, buttons feel great, nice tight fitting case, and it has MagSafe support. So this will probably be the go-to for now. Switching to it from the Bellroy, still love that case, but doesn't have MagSafe support, sadly. But again, peak everyday case, guys, for the Pixel 6 Pro. Definitely go and check them out. Check out all of their accessories. I know I'm gonna be on there trying to see some more. They have phone mounts, they have bicycle mounts, a little bit of everything. So definitely go and check them out. Shout out to Peak for making a dope case. So that was the Peak everyday case for the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you're interested in picking one up, if not, what are some of your favorite cases for the Pixel line? But that's gonna do it for the video today. As always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.